Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change language that works with Google Gemini. So if you want to get help on Google Gemini, or maybe do some tasks with the Google Gemini, you can set up a certain language. So I'm currently using English as my language on Google Gemini, and I want to change it. First, you can go to the Gemini apps on your phone. Then in here, you can click on your photo at the top right corner and find settings. Click on settings, and here you can see there is this language. So you can use this language to speak into Google Gemini to give it some tasks or maybe ask some question. So just choose the language that you want. So for example, in here I'm going to just use a language that works with Gemini only. Here you can choose the language, just click on the languages, and after that it will be saved. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.